Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ Plus, equipped with the Z71 off-road package. On the front end of the vehicle we have 3M protective film, as well as an aftermarket bullbar and our LED headlights. Under the hood sits a 6.2 liter V8 engine that produces 420 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 22-inch aluminum wheels and our aftermarket leveling kit, as well as our aftermarket running boards. We also have our heated power folding mirrors. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors, as well as an easy lift and lower tailgate and tonneau cover. This Silverado has a towing capacity of up to 9,300 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have a memory driver's seat, as well as our Bose audio sound system, and our automatic four-wheel drive controls and automatic headlight controls with automatic high beams. This Silverado is also equipped with a power sunroof and heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats, as well as OEM all-weather floor mats. We also have a heated steering wheel, forward collision alert with low-speed automatic braking, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's backup camera and SiriusXM radio. Equipped for comfort are dual-zone climate controls, as well as lane keep assist and a wireless charging pad. And on the vehicle's key fob we have a remote start and entry buttons. And finally, moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our 60/40 split folding rear bench seat.